Hey there, welcome to another exciting JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to look over at the concat method. It is used to merge two or more arrays. This method does not change the existing array, but instead returns a new array. So I'll be explaining it using a simple real-life scenario for easy understanding or for a better understanding. So I have array A and B, right? And I said the concat method is used to merge two or more arrays together. So say for instance, I want to merge these two arrays together and I want to display them as a single array. I'm going to be calling the concat method on A. So I have, let's say const C equals A dot concat B. Right? So once I print this out, console.log C, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I said you can merge two or more arrays together. So I could have another array, an array of, so let's D equals 7, 8, 9. So the concat method can take as many parameters as possible. So comma D. Once I log that again, I have 9 items in my array. So the concat method just simply merge or put together two or more arrays, and it doesn't change the existing array. So if I console.log A, I'm still going to get the initial value for A. And once I don't pass anything inside the concat method or any parameter inside the concat method, it returns the shadow copy of the A array. So I'm going to console.log. Okay, yeah. There's no need to do that. So I have the shallow copy of A concatenated. So let's try using a real life example. So you're building a website that displays a list of tasks. And you have two separate arrays. I have the today's tasks and the tomorrow's tasks. And you want to combine these two arrays to display all tasks for upcoming 2 days. Right? So all we need to do is call the concat method on today's task. So I have const upcoming task here, upcoming equals today's task dot dot concat tomorrow's task. That's all you have to do to merge these two arrays together. So I'm going to console.log upcoming task. Here I have it. So I have all of my tasks in an array. So the concat method allows you to merge two or more arrays into a single array, which can be incredibly useful when working with data in JavaScript. So in this scenario, it helps you merge and display tags for multiple days on your website. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.